Welcome to Quiz World Trivia. Welcome to the ultimate true or false world quiz. Each question is crazier than the last, so get ready to be shocked, amazed, and maybe a little confused. Let's see how many you can get right. Ready? Let's play. The fastest animal on Earth is the cheetah. True or false? False. The peregrine falcon is faster, it dives over 300 kilometers per hour. The world's tallest building is more than 800 meters high. True or false? True. Burj Khalifa stands at 828 meters. The longest river in the world is the Nile. True or false? True, but debated. Some researchers say the Amazon may be longer. The blue whale is the loudest animal on Earth. True or false? True. Its call can reach 188 decibels. Mount Everest grows taller every year. True or false? True. Due to tectonic movement, it rises a few millimeters yearly. The Sahara Desert is the hottest place on Earth. True or false? False. The hottest recorded temperature was in Death Valley, USA. The world's longest lifespan ever recorded was over 120 years. True or false? True. Jean Calment lived 122 years. Octopuses have 3 hearts. True or false? True. 2 pump blood to the gills, 1 to the body. The Great Wall of China is visible from the moon. True or false? False. It's a myth even astronauts confirm you can't see it. Honey never spoils. True or false? True. Archaeologists found 3,000-year-old honey still edible. The oldest tree in the world is over 5,000 years old. True or false? True. Methuselah, a bristlecone pine, is around 4,800 to 5,000 years old. Sharks existed before trees. True or false? True. Sharks are older than trees by 50 million years. The world's largest desert is Antarctica. True or false? True. A desert is defined by dryness, not heat. The shortest war in history lasted less than an hour. True or false? True. The Anglo-Zanzibar War lasted 38 minutes. A snail can sleep for up to 3 years. True or false? True. Some snails hibernate during extreme dryness. The coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth was below -80 degrees Celsius. True or false? True. Antarctica reached -89.2 degrees Celsius. Lightning strikes the Earth millions of times per day. True or false? True. About 8 million strikes happen daily. The longest human beard ever recorded was more than 5 meters long. True or false? True. The record is 5.33 meters, belonged to Hans N. Langseth. Humans can distinguish over 10 million different colors. True or false? True. Our eyes contain amazing cone cells. The world's oldest university is in Europe. True or false? False. The oldest is University of Al Qarawiyyin in Morocco. A hummingbird's heart beats faster than any other animal. True or false? True. Up to 1,260 beats per minute. The largest cave in the world can fit a Boeing 747 inside. True or false? True. Sun Dung Cave in Vietnam is massive enough to have its own weather. Antarctica has more penguins than people. True or false? True. Penguins, millions. People, about 1,000 in winter. The deepest part of the ocean is deeper than Mount Everest is tall. True or false? True. Mariana Trench depth beats Everest height by far. The world's largest living organism is a whale. True or false? False. It's actually a fungus spread across 2,384 acres in Oregon. The heaviest pumpkin ever grown weighed over 2 tons. True or false? False. The record is about 1.2 tons, still huge. And that completes our true or false challenge. How many did you get right? Comment your score, hit like, and subscribe for more awesome quizzes. See you in the next one.